In the ever-evolving landscape of business operations, financial management remains a cornerstone of success. Small and medium-sized businesses, in particular, often grapple with the complexities of bookkeeping, tax compliance, and financial reporting. This is where modern solutions like Bookkeeper360 come into play, offering a blend of human expertise and technological efficiency. As an accounting software expert, I frequently encounter businesses seeking streamlined financial processes. A common question I hear is, what benefits does Bookkeeper360 offer? Bookkeeper360 isn't just another accounting software. It's a comprehensive financial technology solution that provides a range of services designed to empower business owners with real-time financial data and expert support. Its core strength lies in combining cloud-based accounting software, primarily QuickBooks Online and Xero, with a dedicated team of US-based accounting professionals. This hybrid approach offers several significant advantages. 1. Dedicated, expert bookkeeping services. One of the primary benefits of Bookkeeper360 is the provision of dedicated, expert bookkeeping services. Unlike simply subscribing to accounting software and managing everything yourself, Bookkeeper360 assigns your business a dedicated accountant or bookkeeper. This means you're not just getting a tool. You're getting a human expert who understands your business, keeps your books up to date, and ensures accuracy. This dedicated approach means accuracy and compliance. Experienced professionals handle your transactions, reconciliations, and financial statements, significantly reducing the risk of errors and ensuring compliance with accounting standards. Time savings. Business owners are freed from the tedious and time-consuming tasks of data entry, categorization, and reconciliation, allowing them to focus on core business operations, sales, and strategy. Peace of mind. Knowing that your financial records are in capable hands provides immense peace of mind, especially during tax season or when facing audits. 2. Comprehensive financial services beyond basic bookkeeping. Bookkeeper360 goes beyond just standard bookkeeping. It offers a suite of integrated financial services that can be tailored to a business's evolving needs. This one-stop-shop approach is incredibly beneficial for growing businesses that might otherwise need to juggle multiple providers. Key additional services often include payroll and HR support. They can manage payroll processing, ensure compliance with labor laws, handle deductions, and even assist with HR functions like employee onboarding and time tracking. This is a huge relief for businesses navigating complex payroll regulations. Tax preparation and planning. Bookkeeper360 provides tax services for both business and individual filings, sales tax, and offers strategic tax planning and advisory. This ensures businesses are proactive in minimizing tax liabilities and remain compliant. CFO advisory services. For businesses seeking higher-level financial guidance, Bookkeeper360 offers fractional CFO services. This provides access to experienced financial strategists who can help with budgeting, forecasting, cash flow management, profitability analysis, and long-term financial planning, without the cost of a full-time CFO. This is a game-changer for businesses aiming for significant growth. Catch-up bookkeeping and cleanup. For businesses with messy or outdated books, Bookkeeper360 offers services to clean up historical data, ensuring a solid foundation for accurate ongoing accounting. 3. Real-time financial insights and dashboards, astroboards. While human expertise is crucial, Bookkeeper360 also leverages technology to provide business owners with powerful, actionable insights. They offer an intuitive dashboard, often referred to as astroboards, that syncs with your underlying accounting software, QuickBooks Online or Xero. These dashboards provide real-time financial visibility. Business owners can see key financial metrics at a glance, including revenue, expenses, net income, cash flow, and key performance indicators, KPIs. This immediate access to data is vital for making timely, informed decisions. Cash flow management. Features like cash flow analyzers and cash burn insights help businesses understand their current cash position and project their cash runway. Critical for liquidity management. Performance tracking. Businesses can track year-over-year metrics, set goals, and monitor trends, allowing them to identify areas of strength and weakness and adapt strategies accordingly. Mobile accessibility. The availability of a mobile app means business owners can access their financial data and communicate with their dedicated team anytime, anywhere. 4. Seamless integration with leading accounting platforms. Bookkeeper360 doesn't try to replace your existing accounting software if you're already comfortable with it. Instead, it seamlessly integrates with industry-leading cloud accounting platforms like QuickBooks Online and Xero. This is a significant benefit as it allows businesses to leverage the power of these platforms while offloading the heavy lifting of bookkeeping to experts. The benefits of this integration include data synchronization. All financial data flows smoothly between your core accounting software and Bookkeeper360 systems, ensuring consistency and accuracy. Leveraging existing infrastructure. Businesses don't need to migrate all their historical data to a new system, making the transition to Bookkeeper360 services much smoother. Compatibility with ecosystems. If your business already uses apps that integrate with QuickBooks or Xero, e.g., payment processors, CRM, inventory management, Bookkeeper360 works within that existing ecosystem. 5. Scalability and flexibility. Bookkeeper360 offers flexible pricing plans that can scale with a business's growth and changing needs. From pay-as-you-go options for specific projects, like cleanup, to monthly and weekly bookkeeping services, and even comprehensive CFO advisory, businesses can choose the level of support that fits their budget and complexity. This means you only pay for what you need, with the option to add more services as your business expands. In essence, Bookkeeper360 provides a modern solution to an age-old business challenge: managing finances effectively. By combining dedicated human expertise with intelligent technology, it offers businesses the benefits of accurate bookkeeping, comprehensive financial services, real-time insights, and scalable support. For any business owner looking to reduce financial stress, gain clarity over their numbers, and make data-driven decisions to foster growth, Bookkeeper360 presents a compelling value proposition that goes far beyond just balancing the books.